The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. It is Wednesday, which means it's time for our Let's Grow It segment here at Stutzman's. We're in their production center here today in Pleasant View with the one and only Ben Miller. We always enjoy having Ben on. Thanks for being with us today.
I always love having you guys out here.
Yeah.
And we love taking you behind the scenes.
I love this part of Let's Grow It.
It's hard to believe, 2024 gardening season is over.
Yeah.
And what we're doing here today already is for 2025.
Wow.
And we're planting our spring arrived fern plug plants into 4.5-inch pots. We buy these plugs in like this, and the transplant machine back here goes through the process of planting it and does an amazing job. It really does.
Yeah. So after this step, you get them put into their new planters.
Correct.
What comes next?
Going out to the greenhouse, and will grow over the winter time, and should be
to have here at Stutzman, just because you are doing thousands and thousands and thousands
Correct.
of different types of plants and stuff. But this really is, your guys' operation, it really never stops.
It never stops. Actually, the whole planning process started already back in June as we came through spring.
Yeah.
And we had all the managers come in it's a 2-day event that we do and go through the process of literally line item by line item, determining how much we're going to plant for the following year. So pretty strategic process of determining how many of these we do.
Yeah. And Ben, this would be a perfect opportunity this time of year for gift certificates, and someone could get that now, and then buy these in the spring.
Gift certificates are always very popular at Christmas time. There's no expiration date on any of our gift certificates.
Great.
And trust me, for Christmas, they make a lot of people happy.
Yeah, whether you're wanting to buy some poinsettias maybe for Christmas or hold on to that gift certificate a little bit longer for the spring.
You got
Perfect place to get them here at Stutzman's. Where are you guys located? How can people get more information?
Well, production and retail for Christmas, just 5 easy miles southwest of Hutchinson on Highway 50. And love having you out, special events coming up for Christmas. Go to Stutzmans.com or on Facebook, track with us, and you'll get a lot more information.
Yep, the work never stops here at Stutzman's. That's why we're here every single week, every Wednesday here on Good Day Kansas. Ben, thanks for being with us.
Thanks for being here.
Yep, we have more on Good Day Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hi, this is Ben Miller with Stutzman's Greenhouse. Since 1956, our dedication and commitment to your gardening needs has never wavered. The passion for gardening is not only America's #1 hobby, it's a lifestyle too. We're here to help you year-round with your gardening needs. Have questions? Email us at questions@stutzmans.com. And to keep up with everything happening at Stutzman's, please join us at Facebook and visit us at stutzmans.com. From our garden to yours, expect success with Stutzman's. This is our promise to you.